తెలుగు ప్రేక్షకులకు అందరికీ దీపావళి శుభాకాంక్షలు. సెవెన్ సెన్స్ ఇంత పెద్ద ఓపెనింగ్ బిగ్ సక్సెస్ ఇచ్చినందుకు చాలా చాలా థ్యాంక్స్. It's a very special project for us and a very prestigious project for us. Of course, after Gajini, we are all got together and we want to do a special film. And I'm very happy to know it's lived up to all the expectations. It's been carried all these days. Not only in Andhra, in Tamil Nadu, and all over wherever it's released with 1,200 plus prints. Everywhere it's got a very big warm reception. So I really had to thank each and every one of you from bottom of my heart. Okay, South Indian prince Bodhidharma 5th century lo ikkadi nunchi akkada elli China lo martial arts Zen Buddhism nerpinchadu. ఈ బేసిక్ ప్లాట్ వినగానే ఐ రియలీ గాట్ ఎక్సైటెడ్. మొత్తం రియల్ ఫ్యాక్ట్స్ అది ఎవ్రీవేర్ ఇన్ ది ఇంటర్నెట్ యూ కెన్ ఫైండ్ లాట్ ఆఫ్ డీటెయిల్స్ అబౌట్ బోధిధర్మ. సో ఫస్ట్ టైమ్ టు experience Bodhidharma coming back to India, because most of us we have forgotten about this wonderful person who has created history, and the other part of the world is worshipping him. They are praying to him, and they have a lot of statues about Bodhidharma, and here we don't even remember his name, and we don't know anything about this wonderful person who has been a part of our history. So this film is recreating that history in Indian cinema. So that very fact got me very excited, and of course I had to behave like Bodhidharma. So I went to Thailand, Vietnam with Peter Hain Masters advised, learned a lot of things to be Bodhidharma in Seven Sense. Seven Sense is very special to all of us because it's not got the regular plot where love happens and some revenge is undercurrent in the screenplay. It's just not basic love and revenge story. It's about Bodhidharma who lived in the 5th century, and again what is the link between Bodhidharma and a person, a circus artist who's living in the 2012. So the link between these two characters will be played by Shruti Haasan, our Kamal sir's daughter. She's got a very important character in this film. And this film also speaks about DNA and what is DNA and how DNA can alter things. And also about a villain who is from Hollywood. He's part of Hollywood cinema, but lives and does a lot of films in Vietnam and Thailand, Johnny. And also speaks about hypnotism. Also speaks about an operation called Red. I don't want to reveal much about Red, but I was shocked when I went to Vietnam. I went to the museum there in Vietnam, and I witnessed photos and lot of scripts saying they used weapons called Agent Orange, Agent Violet, Agent Pink to kill people. It was a kind of acid which they used to eradicate a lot of, a huge chunk of population in Vietnam in the 16 years war which happened there. So everything, whatever we thought we'll add up little fantasy to the script, was part of history. It had already happened in another part of our world. So this film became more and more real as we worked on it and as we try to bring it on screen. So this film is really a milestone in all our careers, all the technicians who have worked in this film. I think it's not easy to recreate another Seventh Sense immediately, even by us. So that makes it very special, and also because of this special legendary person, Bodhidharma. Seventh Sense మా కెరియర్లో చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఫిలిం, వెరీ స్పెషల్ ఫిలిం. ఈ ఫిలింకి పెట్టిన ఎఫర్ట్ నేను ఏం ఫిలింకి పెట్టలేదు. It's very important because of 5 aspects. We speak about Bodhidharma in this film. We speak about DNA. We speak about a circus artist. We speak about a Hollywood villain, a Chinese villain who comes out with different kind of an emotion. It's not the regular villain we are used to. He brings in a different kind of emotion in this film against the hero. And also we speak about hypnotism, which is not a regular kind of fight sequence we are used to in filming. So the whole aspect makes the entire film totally different. A lot of high points are there, and the canvas we had spent on this film itself makes it very big and very huge. Very emotionally driven film also. It's just not fights, and it's not just not showing grandeur, but it's also binded with very strong emotion. Director Murugadas, he always sees fine details. He wants every film to be as exciting as possible, as big as possible, and as fresh as possible. First thing is entertainment for him, and of course, with entertainment, he wants to give a sensible entertainment. It cannot be like illogical or just for the sake of entertainment. As we had three scripts even before starting this project, Seventh Sense. We had three scripts, but because we wanted to make it special, he chose the Bodhidharma line, and the way he brought in DNA, the way he brought in hypnotism, the way he brought in Shruti's character, the scientist character, and also incorporated a circus artist in that. So everything had to, he had to work a lot for each and every character's dimension. After having very good three scripts in hand, he waited for this script to shape up for more than a year before we started shooting. So that's the kind of time he had given for the script, and that's the kind of film he wanted to give after Ghajini. So this film is very special to us. We have taken a lot of time, a lot of effort to make it as special as possible. Okay. Murugadas sir keeps saying this, repeating this again and again. Ghajini Seven Sons ke Tamil ante. So it's it is very small, and Seven Sons has got that much that much detailing, and that even a stronger script is what he keeps repeating always. And of course, Gajini Taravata, మా ఇద్దరు కాంబినేషన్ huge expectation ఉంటాయి. I think we have reached it. I think we have done our best for this second chance which we have got together. And Seventh Sense has become a very special film for everyone who had seen it. So people who have not seen it, please do watch, and it will surely live up to all your expectation. జనరల్గా ఇంత పెద్ద ప్రాజెక్ట్ వర్క్ చేసినప్పుడు మొత్తం టీంకి కొంచెం నర్వస్నెస్, టెన్షన్ ఉంటుంది. బట్ ఈ ప్రాజెక్ట్కి అది లేదు. వీఆర్ వెరీ హ్యాపీ అండ్ వెరీ కాన్ఫిడెంట్ విత్ ద కైండ్ ఆఫ్ స్క్రిప్ట్ వీఆర్ హ్యాండ్లింగ్, ద క్యారెక్టర్స్ వీఆర్ ప్లేయింగ్, అండ్ ద కైండ్ ఆఫ్ హిస్టరీ వీఆర్ recreating in cinema. Murugadas sir kept saying, "Sir, I really didn't imagine we'll be doing something like this. I'm very happy with the outcome. I'm very happy the way the shooting is progressing, the way the movie is coming out." Haris Jayaraj sir kept saying, when I saw the rushes, I couldn't get Bodhidharma out of my visuals. Even after the whole film, I still remembered the the kind of visuals you had put in this film for Bodhidharma. Ravi K. Chandran sir kept saying the second half is so pacey, not even a minute to wait and think what is happening. Such brilliant screenplay is happening in the second half. Everybody had their own favorites and a lot of likable things, nice things to talk about this film. So very happy. I just want to share these things so that you can expect, just think what is going to come on screen once you sit in the theater. So get ready, and don't miss Seventh Sense releasing this Diwali all over. The first song, O Ringa Ringa, we had 1,000+ dancers and 1,500 dancers. I have not done such a song before, so that makes it a very special song for me in this film. Just after the 5th century is over, the 15-20 minutes or the footage is over in the film, we didn't want a sudden drop coming back to the 11th century. So he wanted a grandeur song happening. Directors wanted a grandeur song, and we had this concept, and I think it's one of the biggest song I have done so far. And everybody is talking about this song. the music is also very special. With Harris Gerard sir, I think I've done 7+ films, and every film's success, he's equally important for every film success in my career. So in this film also, he's given wonderful, memorable songs. When the film is huge and when the film is very special, songs also become challenging. A song can't be a regular song. The situation should be special, and of course the kind of visuals, the way you execute a song also should be special. So like Gajni, if everybody liked Hridayam Ekkada Unnadi, this film it will be Mutyala Dharani. Karthik had sung this song, and we had shot in Krabi Islands. And also there is another special song by our legendary singer SPB sir, which goes like Amma Amma. Wonderful visuals. Brinda Master had done a brilliant job in that song. I think 200 or 300 plus shots in that song. And one more important factor in that Amma Amma song is everything you see in that song is a set work. It looks like a real railway station. It looks like a real subway. It looks like real tracks, but everything is a set done by our art director Rajivan. So you can just keep saying a lot of different things in this film, which we're really proud about. Ravi K. Chandran sir's visuals also speaks a lot. He'll be very kicked whenever there's a song sequence and action sequence. Very happy to work with Ravi K. sir also in this film.